Okay, you've got the videos assembled in a way that you like them. Oh, by the way, you can zoom in and out by using this control on the bottom, or you can hit plus or minus on the keyboard to zoom in or zoom out. Plus zooms in, minus zooms out. So you have the videos where you want them. You have the audio. By the way, these are the audio meters, what we call the VU meters, and that tells you the volume level of the audio. You want it to be kind of hitting so that everything at its loudest point is like -6. That's what I suggest that you do. You don't want it to go into the red, and you don't want it to be too low. You want it to be all your audio to be at a good audible level, but not too much. Let's see. So for basic import, let's say we're going to export. Unless you give it a new in and out point on your sequence, it will export whatever is there. If you have more clips that you've used or pieces of them here, it'll export the whole thing. So make sure that you've removed everything after you're editing, or you get to your last frame and you hit the out button, right? Mark out. That will give you what they call a work area, which is shaded. Then when you go to export, it will export just that. So let's go to export. You go to the file window, export media. Then we get this lovely window. So here's what I suggest for exporting. Always make sure that this format over here, the first pull down window, is at H.264. Not H.264 Blu-ray, just H.264. That will automatically set your preset thing to matching the source. I mean sort of matching the settings of what you had in your original video, and good quality. Then you want to hit the output name to tell it what the file name is and where to put it. This should be familiar from other softwares. So you're going to go to ThawSpace, your folder, this project, and your exports folder. This is what the exports folder is all about. And you want to leave all this info. You want to leave the .mp4. If you've named your sequence the way that I've suggested, then it's already should have the right name to it that you want. So you hit save, and then you hit export. And you'll get this window coming up in the middle. It'll tell you how much longer it's going to take to export. And when it's done exporting, go to your file. You've now made a movie that you've exported from the software. Go to that file, open it up, make sure it has the sound and the picture just the way you want it, and then submit that on Google Classroom.